Tech is advancing so fast that there's something new almost every day. New systems, hardware, and software, and the need to adapt comes with them. Companies need to integrate these into their operations, and a critical step in achieving that is training your staff. Hi, I'm Rick from the Managed Technology Channel. With over 20 years of partnering with various organizations, we know the struggle of training your staff in new systems and technology. However, through the years, we've learned how to set up efficient and effective training programs that guarantee success. In this video, we'll talk about how do you train your staff to adopt new tech? What challenges will you face? What are the secrets to training success? How do you train your staff in new systems and technologies? Number one, understand the need to learn new systems and technologies. These things are often done to address something bigger, whether it be to resolve issues or drive growth. And that serves as the purpose that will drive both trainer and trainee. Number two, supply members with information that will empower them to learn and make training easier. Great examples of this are the reasons behind the training and their personal role in the implementation of these new assets. And three, schedule and conduct training in a considerate and strategic way, meaning we account for our staff's learning styles. We also make sure to hold these training sessions without causing much disruption to the business. What are the common challenges of training your staff? Some challenges come with training your staff, and they apply regardless of how modern the tech and system are. The most common ones we come across are, number one, recognizing the ROI of training. Staff training is a resource-consuming process. It costs the business a significant sum and the staff a huge chunk of the time. But it's an expense and investment that must be made. Otherwise, the alternative is stagnancy. When the staff doesn't grow, the company doesn't either. The challenge lies in making people, management and staff alike, recognize the worth of this investment and the returns. Number two, ensuring minimal impact on operations. Training requires staff to spend a portion of their work hours upskilling. They're pulled out of their operations to focus on learning these new systems and technologies, and that has impacts. No matter how well it is planned, it will affect overall productivity. In this case, the challenge lies heavily on management. They must keep impact at a minimum and maintain enough efficiency to meet key performance indicators and service level agreements. And number three, helping your staff prioritize learning. There's a difference between knowing the importance of learning and prioritizing it. Your staff is most likely aware of how beneficial it is to gain new skills and knowledge. However, that doesn't mean learning is being prioritized. Often it is left on the back burner, and not by choice, but by the circumstance. Your staff is busy enough meeting deadlines and metrics, and even outside of work, only few have the luxury of time. What are the secrets to effective training in new systems and technologies? Number one, clear communication. Proper communication is a simple solution to a lot of complex issues. Communicating the importance and purpose of training, discussing schedules with team leads and managers, and informing your staff of its benefits. These are just a few examples of conversations that need to happen. Although simple, it isn't easy. Several parties are involved in conducting training sessions, and all must be on the same page for it to succeed. Number two, consistent encouragement. Motivation and desire are imperative to successful training. Without that drive, members will go through the process without retaining much information, diminishing its value. Admittedly, management can only provide extrinsic motivation through incentives, free resources, and verbal encouragement. And while that's helpful, it doesn't have as much weight as intrinsic motivation. That said, it's still important to continuously and consistently give members these little pushes to inspire growth. Training members in new systems and technologies is a long process that doesn't instantly bear fruit. But the moment it does, the harvest is bountiful, which is why it's important to clearly communicate its necessity and consistently encourage staff. Now that you know how to train your staff to a new system, you're ready to take on that next training project. However, if you're still unsure, you can check out our article where we go over the 6 components of an effective cybersecurity awareness training program. If this video helped you out today, please like it and subscribe to our channel so we can grow and help other business tech users like yourself. If there's something on this channel that you'd like to see, comment down below. See you next time.